Finland, we have this saying that something starts to taste like porridge. Jokin alkaa maistua puurolta, and it means that you are getting bored of something. But now, definition of porridge is about to change. So, first of all, it all starts from the grains. So, we don't want to use flakes in pressure cooker or in any other device because it will get this messy, bad stuff that doesn't have texture. So, good porridge is all about texture. In this recipe you need 2 deciliters of steel cut oats and half a liter of water. Ja suomalaiset katsojat voivat käyttää vaikka tällaisia myllyn paras kaurarouheita. Ne ovat hyviä. And throw everything in like so and put a dash of salt afterwards. And then high pressure 8 minutes, natural pressure release like so, and then you're ready to give a little stir, and there you have it. Now it's time to put everything on the plate. And as you can see, the texture is really nice. It's a bit crunchy on the mouth, and then we put some brown sugar on the top. It will melt there really nicely. Then we have red berries and blueberries for a little bit acidity, and then we have bananas for more sweetness. And there you have it, perfect, nice porridge. And if you liked the video, press like and feel free to subscribe. Thank you.